Morning everyone, Mr. Allen here for our final golden ticket assembly this half term. Next week is presentation assembly, so look out for all those children who've earned certificates throughout this half term for working really hard throughout school every single week. But it's Friday the 21st of May. We're here for years 3, 4, 5 and 6 for those children who worked so hard this week to earn themselves a golden ticket. I say this week, actually they've been doing this for weeks and you'll see that by some of the comments for these children. So let's kick off this morning in year 6. And we've got, Miss Percy says, golden ticket in 6JP this week is awarded to a true all-rounder. This person makes staff in year 6 smile every day. See, every day. Their positive attitude and love of learning. They're inquisitive, make thoughtful contributions to discussions, and most importantly, treat everyone in our school community with kindness and respect. Brilliant. They make sure every member of the class is included in activities and do all of this with a smile on their face. I have no doubts that this person will achieve whatever they set their mind to and are impressing staff by doing extra learning at home and reading impressive books. They certainly are reading impressive books, amazing books. A very well done to Miriam. And at present, she is reading Pride and Prejudice, Jane Austen. Miriam, you absolute superstar, hun. Keep it up. You are a marvel. You are amazing, you are fantastic, and everyone thinks you are as well. So really well done. And I know your mum's going to be really proud of you, so congratulations. And everyone should be giving you a cheer in class right now as well. Well done. Keep it up. Thank you. Mr. Davison says, the golden ticket winner is somebody who has been working feverishly all term. I said that right at the beginning of Golden Ticket Assembly. These children have been working so hard every day. In pursuit of the accolade, this person is always smiling, brings positive energy to the room and often makes others laugh, telling odd jokes as well. They have made exceptional progress in maths particularly and also been persevering with writing. They have massively improved their reading this half term. So this week's richly deserved award goes to Katie. Well done, Katie. Absolute superstar. Keep it up, hun, because you are impressing everyone at the moment. So please do keep that up. I am so proud of you. Really well done. And I know everyone will be cheering you in class as well. So well done. Well deserved. Moving on. In year 5, I've got Miss Arthurton says, this week our golden ticket goes to someone who does not always find things easy. Despite their time in year 5, during their time in year 5, they've learned to deal with all the challenges they've faced, becoming a more resilient learner. It's been amazing to see this person's confidence grow and their eagerness to take ownership of their own learning develop. This week's golden ticket goes to Joe! Here he is! Joe, you absolute superstar. Well done and well deserved, right? I am really proud of you. Huge congratulations. And everyone will absolutely be cheering in class now. I know it. You superstar. Well done. Moving on. Miss Musselwhite says, my golden ticket winner works incredibly hard. Even when they find some learning very challenging, they always try their hardest. They arrive in school every day with a big smile on their face. They love talking to anyone and everyone about their pets, and they enjoy a good laugh. Fantastic, great sense of humour. They make everyone around them smile too. They have had to wait a long time for this golden ticket, but they fully deserve it. Golden ticket goes to Olivia! There she is. Look at that. Always smiling. Look at the work though, Olivia. I am so proud of you, hun. You are producing amazing work. Everyone give Olivia a massive cheer, please, because she really deserves this and been working so hard. Keep it up. Keep smiling. Keep being amazing and have that amazing sense of humour as well. So congratulations. Well done. Moving on to year 4. In year 4, Miss Barrett says this child is such a delight to have in the classroom and in school. They are friendly, gentle and so polite. They work hard in their lessons by putting their hand up to share ideas, presenting their work beautifully and completing every task to the best of their ability. Recently, I've noticed a real passion for computing too. Oh, wow. They work nicely with their peers and they're kind to everyone. Oh, that's brilliant. This child has worked so hard at ensuring their attendance improved, and so I now feel very confident they've earned this golden ticket. They certainly have. Golden ticket goes to Bentley! There he is, look at that. Look at that amazing bit of work as well with your art. Absolutely super. Star worker, huge smiling face. Always got a smile, always smiling, always saying good morning, Mr. Allen, and asking how I am. So thank you, Bentley. Huge congratulations, buddy. Really well deserved, and keep it up. Keep up the hard work. Mr. Pinner says, Gemma, look, is the golden ticket winner for Mr. Pinner, because she is a fabulous member of the class and today receives her second golden ticket. She has worked fantastically hard every day and what she produces is always impressive. Yes, Gemma. She concentrates hard on whatever job it is at hand and does not give up until it is completed to the best of her ability. She listens well in class and is always keen to learn. At home during the lockdown, she completed her tasks, but since she has got back to school, her work has gone from strength to strength. This is a thoroughly deserved award. It so is. Gemma, you need to realise what an amazing girl you are. Really well done on your second golden ticket. I know your brother's going to be really proud of you, so huge congratulations. Have a great weekend and celebrate, right? So well done. Everyone give her a big cheer, please. Come on, Gemma, well done. Moving on. In Miss White's, this person never fails to impress us with their enthusiasm and quest to be the best. They work hard and are always looking for an extra challenge. They put in the hard work on spelling shed and times they're a rock star, and we see the impact of this in their work at school. We certainly do. They love reading and enjoy discovering new books. As if that was not enough, they are a helpful member of the class and always contribute to discussions. Well done, Jakisha! Come on, Jakisha, there she is. Look at that, massive smile on her face. Well done. I know your sister's going to be really proud of you, so huge congratulations, son. Keep up this amazing work. Look at you working so hard, being such a brilliant partner as well. So well deserved, and keep it up, you superstar. Finally, we've got Mr. Ackerman. Mr. Ackerman says, this child has been working very hard in class and is always very positive about her learning. She enjoys developing ideas and loves chatting to a partner to share her thoughts. She is outgoing, very sociable, and is well liked by all members of the class. So you're going to get a massive cheer in a minute, I know, because our golden ticket winner goes to Lila Jade. Well done, Lila Jade. Massive cheer for Lila Jade. Well done, hun. Really well deserved. Keep smiling, keep working hard, and keep being so lovely to all in your class, because it is amazing. So really well deserved. Finally, well done, everyone. Fantastic job this week. Well done to all of our golden ticket winners. It is absolutely superb for the amount of work that you've been doing, not only this week, but throughout this half term. So really well done. Finally, the theme from Assembly. So this weekend, let's keep it up. It's going to be a bit rainy this weekend, so come on, let's really help someone, tell a joke, let's cheer people up with the miserable weather, and then be a good friend. So let's do that over the weekend as well, at home and with our friends at home, please. Okay? And until next week, everyone, bye-bye now.